What's up, TJ? My bad, bro. I think we bullish. Gold is in a 15-minute play right now. So I think we bullish on gold for a little bit. Yeah, S&P gonna flirt with this demand. S&P and Nas gonna flirt with their demand until, I am bullish on gold at least. I think it's gonna flirt with this demand too. That's the moves I'm looking at. Ooh, and then reach daily supply zone. That is very strong. We are on the daily supply zone. We are at a 1 hour supply zone. We inside a 1 hour supply as well on Nas. Smoke this 15-minute. Well, we are inside a supply, so on Nas. So we gotta be careful because these are at daily supply levels. Well, okay. Yeah, they both are. They both inside of daily supply, but woo. It's in a 4 hour. It's just not. It's not a fresh supply, but it is inside of some supply of the 4 hour. Uh, that's really all. So, oh, my screen frozen. My bad, bro. Y'all just saying S&P and Nas are in a daily supply zone. Nas is low key in like a few supply zones. It's in the daily and well, they both inside of a slight 4 hour. They both are inside of a slight 4 hour supply. I'd love to see gold tap this and come on back. Did it even break this up here? Nah. It might not tap this again because this is actually the entry of the 15-minute move. I doubt we get that tap. Gold is also playing a 1 hour supply zone. Gold is inside of a 1 hour supply zone and 4 hour supply zone. keep playing inside this demand zone right here. This is 1 hour supply. I think that mug trying to buy though. Ooh, shoot, my phone. Be back, TJ. gold do? Oh, come and tap. No, it ain't even tap. I bet it tapped on the futures chart. So the fuck did? Like, I bet it tapped on that damn futures chart. Oh, what's going on? It is reacting off this 1 hour right here now. This 200 just ain't too far away. We in a 4 hour demand. And we reacting off of a 15-minute. But this might tank, bro. Oh. I don't believe the 5-minute demand is going to hold. Yeah, probably not. Probably not. This mug might be still be in a downtrend reacting off this 1 hour right here. I'm not gonna hold you. Sales look way more convincing on higher time frame. Way more convincing. He do look way more convincing. It came tapped into the supply again on the 5-minute. But we also got the 200 here. These is kind of, I don't know. I feel like the 4 hour is it's inside this. Where the daily at? We had a daily support. I don't know. Yeah, I think the sales might be better off for this. Yeah, I think we might want to wait for the 1 hour sales. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. 1 hour sales might be cooked. Oh no, that already got fried. 1 hour sales is already fried. One our shells already got cooked. I just don't think it was. I just still don't. Man. Because it's back down here flirting with the 15-minute entries and shit. Yeah, I ain't buying this. Yeah, we need this 15-minute tap on S&P. Probably won't happen for another 5 hours. Bro, this 15-minute play could be like, that's crazy. That 1 hour might be holding, but I don't think so, bro. I don't see this. I don't see this buying. I don't see this buying either, TJ. I don't think this 5-minute gonna be valid. Not with this little ass stop loss. You gotta go break. I'm gonna get in on the break of the 13. Oh, for sales. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it. I ain't mad at you, bruh. Just gotta be careful with them breakouts, man. Gotta be careful with them breakouts. I really want S&P to come and tap in. That's what I want. I want S&P to tap in. Simple plays. I can't be mad at niggas selling. Damn, this 1 hour cooked itself, bro. Or is it like... Actually, it's actually in off of this. I'm shell, bro. Actually, the 1 hour move is actually happening. Let me look at this again. All right, so our tap will be here, so we would have been in. Bro, this came back up here and it's back here. So actually, the 1 hour play is happening. Oh yeah, you said you in the trade. The 1 hour play is actually happening as we speak. Where's the 1 to 1 at? Oh, it's before the 200. Oh, well, hey. Yeah, this might actually not be that bad of a move. especially if S&P tap in this last 6 seconds. Okay, yeah, the 1 hour play is actually happening. That shit might be. I'm talking about the man. Yeah, that shit is bearish as hell. S&P lame for not tapping in this candle. Gonna tap in the next candle. S&P lame as hell for that shit. Yeah, I see what gold doing. My boy TJ said he in a trade. Haha, he mad at that, brother. I see what you doing though, gold. I see what you doing. I actually have no clue what you're doing, gold. I'm a little confused on gold, so I'm gonna just go with the cleaner picture, and that would be for S&P to tap in, bro. It's probably not gonna tap in until fucking who knows. This shit still got a chance to shoot back up too. At least for one. Still inside of the man now. This could possibly. Damn. Somebody was in this 15-minute trade. They heart be pounding. It's coming down. It's coming down. Going valid for TJ. Go ahead and go invalid. Start selling. There you go. Yeah, she's still bearish. It was right about this 1 hour. These shit's lame as hell. S&P and not lame. Like, bro, tap in. What are we doing? Look at S&P bullshit, bro. Just tap in, bro. Like, bro, tap in so we can go about our business, bro. Gold might have a 15-minute setup if it breaks. Yeah, gold might got his 15-minute setup coming for niggas. Thank you, S&P. Tap in. That's all niggas needed right there. Like, come on, gangster. Hey, hey, hey. My boy said he got in off the. Ooh. Yeah. Chopping and shine. Go chopping and shine. It has to go down. It ain't have to. It don't have to do nothing. But yeah, nah, I feel you though. It better. It gave you a lot of confluence, you know. You don't have to do shit though. It'll definitely be lovely for this shit to drop. You gotta do shit. Unfortunately, lame ass shit. Yeah, nah, it better. Yeah, nah, it better go down, nigga. I feel you on that, bro. Jesus. Yeah, this 5 minute close gonna be a breakout and yeah, them fools gonna go off a breakout. I like gold. Break here. Slow down. Grab the New York session orders. And go ahead and get up out of there. I need S&P to just go ahead and get up out of there. The five, Doyle and them gonna be in this. Once this close, they gonna be in. They stop gonna be below here. If it closes above the 13. Remember, I said it here first. Hit the door. Oh yeah, Doyle don't trade Wednesdays. You're right. This would be his damn move, I tell you that. But I'm just waiting for this 15-minute. Yeah. Oh shit. Wait till this little 15-minute play to go ahead and. Gold made a crazy wake up. Did it? I see. Side. Don't get scared, Negro. You want to trade. Nothing to be afraid of, bruh. Hit the door. Oh, no. Drop. Please don't shoot up. Please give me a chance for entry. Give me a chance for entry, bruh. No. Come on, bruh. Chill. There we go.
Order filled.
I'm in S&P buys. Wow, bitch, you burnt that. Yep, got my stop loss set, bruh. We good. I am in S&P buys. 500 500 a trade this week, man. That's all we going for. 500 a trade this week. Ooh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine. Oh shit. Okay, S&P. Let's see what gold doing. Oh, gold came back up here. Oh, yeah, it might tap this 15-minute. Angelo, what's up, Angelo? I'm confident. My bad, I stepped out. Better than breaking doodle. Oh, yeah, EMA just crossed. I'm confident. Yeah, I think it's just gonna tap into this 15-minute, bro. Yeah, that's my analysis. I'm wondering if I'm gonna get hold out on this S&P trade. That's what I'm wondering. That is what I am wondering. I'm not gonna hold you. Is this trade gonna hold us? I don't think so though. Yeah, me too. I trust the sales, and I trust. We could be completely wrong, but that's why you got stop loss. But I do trust everything that we saying. It's just these shit was breaking. You know, we got stop losses for all BS, man. This don't hit. Oh well, next play. I like the sales of gold off the 15-minute though. I wish it would tap in. Dang, TJ did. What's up, Angelo? I'm new to all of this. Subscribed about a week ago to try and learn how to get started in day trading. Hey man, I got a whole simple. Let me show you something, bro. I got a whole. I gotta do. Maybe I should redo them. But I can tell you one thing. Dang, I need to get back on the content, bro. Angelo, I was doing well, you know what I'm saying? I was doing good, and then I lost my account, and I kind of been more so focused on trading than content. But I gotta get back on that. But you go to my channel, Trading with Steez, and then I would say go to this playlist first. Come to this playlist. Come learn how to be your own bank. Go through those 5 videos, and then I tell people like you gotta tap in with me in the mornings, bro. I'm gonna do better with back testing, but if you tap in every day in the morning and you watch that clip and then come tap in every day in the morning with me, you'll see like, bro, what I'm doing is very simple. Yes, you should definitely want to learn how to trade. You should definitely want to learn, how to get out of the 9 to 5 wave or whatnot, whatever reason you got for trading. I just think that what we do is so simple that people try and make it harder than what it actually is. Let me show you the trade that I got in today. Just simply, we got us. I don't know if you know supply and demand, but this is a demand zone. We got us a sell candle. We got our buy candles shot out of here. Broke a level, left a gap. By gap, I mean this candle here. After this breakout, and this is a breakout of a level that is over here. Broke out of this level. After this candle broke out, this candle did not come back and tap into this zone immediately, deeming valid demand. Demand is for buys, supply is for sale. So right now we're at a 15-minute supply on gold, and we've already reacted off of the 15-minute supply on S&P. So we waited for price to come back, tap into our zone. Once price broke above the previous candle, We in for a 1-to-1 buy. And we got our stop loss below here, TP up there on our trading platform. Same thing could go for this. Once this come and break the low here, 1-to-1 sales. Appreciate you subscribing though, bro. I would definitely say, man, tap in. It's way easier to learn if you actually try and learn. I'm here every morning, pretty much at 7:30, except for the days there's 8:30 red folder news, no matter the country. I say 8:30 because 8:30 is usually when there's like really hectic news. You in control of all the zones? What do you mean in control? Like, did I make them? Did I put those there? Yes. I put the supply zone here. Okay. We had a break of this. These are what I call sniper. You gotta be able. Once you get good, you'll be able to catch real good sniper setups like this. Damn. Yeah, I drew these zones. I put these zones here. Yeah. I put those zones there. Those are my supply and demand. It's gonna sell, TJ, bro. I like this to sell. I think it's just collecting orders, Brody. My honest opinion. That's my honest opinion, bro. I think this is gonna sell. I low key will be in it. Gold sells, S&P buys. Like no bad. Angelo, I'm not a scammer. I'm not selling anything. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Not, as of now, I mean, I think I see why people do that. I mean, but me, I think I'm just a little different, bro. I'm just a little different, bro. I don't necessarily want to make money from subscribers. I know it can't, like, that's like very, like, I mean, it's smart. It's a smart thing to do, or like from a Discord. But I just want to help. I just want to help. I think people are losing the sight of as being a good person. Because if I pass this knowledge out, somebody's gonna help me one day, bro. Somebody's gonna give me some knowledge back. I'll get it back. Angelo, I'm not charging nothing. Just tap in. You just gotta actually tap in. Look like we about to TP over here on S&P. like we about to TP here on S&P. So let's take a look, man. And we might get our break on gold too. Come on, S&P. Oh, damn, I missed it. I missed TP ski.
Order filled.
Let's go. That order is filled, Angelo. So that was a win. Um, you can trade the Top Step X platform. See, I do prop firm. If you want to do your own money, like yeah, you can get like a Webull or a Trade Evade or any broker. You know what I'm saying? Any official broker that supports futures day trading. But I got that also. All right, so we won on S&P. So you see how our entire green area is filled up? That's because we predicted. Yeah, I'm a gold gonna be a play if it once it drop below. This is actually a great gold play right here. Right here. But let me explain this to my bad. My bad. I got you, TJ. My bad, Angelo. But yeah. So our strategy, like I told you, we predicted this to buy because we have our zone here. Actually, let me delete everything so I can show you exactly what's going down, man. All right, Angelo. Type a 1 if you there. Type a 1 in the chat if you there. So I can, because I'm going to break this down as best as possible. And I also got to watch for this gold trade. So type a 1 real quick if you there. If you still there. All right, bet. So, all right, Angelo. So look, before we even go here, before we even get all the way up there. All right. So, boom. When I came to the market today, this is what I seen. By the time I got up, actually, because I'm on the market like, I'm looking at the market around 7:15. So by the time I got up, bro, this is what I seen. First, there's three things I looked at. First, I do my top-down analysis. I'm like, okay, I'm looking on the 4-hour. Okay, I still see that we're buying. We're in strong trend. The 1 hour. First thing I do is come and look for my trend. 1 hour is buying. 15-minute is buying as well, and the 5-minute was buying. So I'm like, I'm bullish. I'm not looking for anything, any sales unless the market tells me to. So next thing I look is I go through my 5 minute, my 15 minute, my 1 hour, and I'm looking for some type of entry. On a 15 minute, this is what I saw when I came to the market. Now this is what I saw. I'm like, okay, cool. I see a order block. A demand order block is a sell candle, then a strong buy candle out of it. So I can't really draw. I don't know how to draw on here, man. Sorry. But I got all of this. Everything I'm explaining to you is in this Come Learn How to Be Your Own Bank. So watch that video today and then come back tomorrow. We gonna go over what you don't get. But you got your red candle, then a buying candle, buying back out, or a selling candle, whatever color your trading view will be. It's gonna be a selling candle, then a buying candle. All right, once I seen this, I'm like, okay, there's a potential demand setup. The next thing I have to look for is a breakout of structure that is not attached. Next thing I gotta look for is a breakout. I would not consider this a breakout because our sell candle is still, it's not breaking out of this level. The sell candle is still attached to the break. By what I mean by the sell candle being attached to the break, if we look at where we actually got our break from, that's when I went to the left and I scrolled all the way to the left and I found somewhere, hey, prices, you can see the price here. Price broke out of here. I'm like, cool. And this is what I mean. This red candle is not touching this red line. Therefore, I'm deeming this valid. This demand zone is valid. Now, the most important thing is this right here. All right, so we got our breakout, right? When you're looking at demand or supply demand, that next candle after the breakout cannot come back and immediately tap into your zone. So let's say it did this right here though. Let's say that this candle did this. Tapped in. It had a wick like that, right? This wouldn't be valid. If it had a wick that came tapped in here, this wouldn't be valid. Fair value gap attached to his own. Oh, well, yeah, I'm talking to my boy Angelo. He's new. He's new, Trick. So I'm breaking this down as simple as I can, without all the trading jargon, because that'll throw somebody off. So now we have a legit demand setup, Angelo, and all we waiting on now is price to come tap into our zone at some point. And we got that tap, right? So now that we got that tap, we like, okay, cool. We already bullish. We know we bullish. And I got something else to explain to you. We know we're already bullish. And then we got a cheat code. We got these indicators here. When the indicators are white, red, blue, bro. When the indicators are white, red, blue, that's like a major confluence saying, hey, we are in trend. The indicators are lined up to be are saying like we're in trend. And as you can see, it's a clear uptrend right now. So now that's when we saying, boom. We checked all our boxes. Now we ready for entry. Once this candle tapped into this zone, we're waiting for the close of that 15-minute candle. And we're waiting for the break of the high of that candle, which was this one. We broke the high once. As soon as price breaks this high, we're hitting buy on our platform. Me personally, I have a high win rate off 1-to-1. It can be winning. 1-to-ones have their ups, like it's what is it like? It has high. What's the word? Like six, like reward. It's a low risk, low reward, but you are risking the same amount that you're trying to win. So like if you start going back and forth, it could be hard to get out the hole. But if you really practice, 1-to-ones are like a 70% win rate for me personally. And so we took our 1-to-one and price. Once we enter trade, we either waiting for to see if the trade gonna fail or it's gonna win. And today we gotta win. Simple as that. And we looking for gold to tap in right here. For real, for real. I'm low key scared of gold. Like I would much rather go do this, cause gold just being tricky. I'm actually cool on gold. This like I'm actually cool on gold. I would have took gold if I wasn't trying to run this account up. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm more so worried about what's going on today. Yes, that specific day. Like we could look at here and like there'll be some days where you look at the overall trend of the market selling or buying, but your time, the time in which you're trading, is buying. Like I think that was yesterday. Yesterday we called out sales on gold, and it almost seemed like it was in a. It was yep. You see, all right, yeah, yeah, yeah. So yesterday we called sales on gold, and you could see like yesterday's play was here. Uh, the more time you get with this trading crap, the more easier it'll get. Um, this is before trading time. Let's actually go to the 5 minute. Okay, cool. So wait a minute. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's right. It just did some wacky shit. All right. I just so like yesterday, bro. Gold was selling. Like this would have been gold's play yesterday. But if you look at it, it looks like it's buying, buying, buying. But for what we got going on, it gave selling indicators and it sold off. So yeah, we not really like. I mean, yeah, you focused on the overall trend, but we more so focused since we're day trading, bro. You're more so focused on what the trend is doing during your trading time. That's important. During your trading time. Like, it ain't really nothing else other than that, man. This gold is really playing. Like, really playing. Dang. I hope I answered your question. Like, maybe that's what you were trying to ask, but, um, yeah, man. I didn't screenshot my dub. Yeah, my dog Valen caught the breakout of what I just traded on the 5 minute. Yeah, he caught the 5 minute breakout. I caught the 15 minute supply. Gold, you're struggling. Only thing that's scaring me about gold is the fact that it's struggling at this support here. That's it. But the 5 minute breakout just hit. Maybe a dumb question, but if the sales don't look good in gold, why not look into the buys? If the sales don't look good on gold, why don't you look? Oh, well, you have to have a reason to look into buys. Just because the sales don't look good don't mean the buys look good either. The sales did look good. Don't get me wrong. The sales, like, we had a lot of, I mean, it's not the best. It's not the clearest. But we've been trading this strategy. Like, we can see the supplies. Like, sometimes supply and demand won't be in the most, it won't be the most prettiest looking way, but you just got to be able to see it. We got our white, red, blue. We got a supply zone broke here. We just wanted to, it didn't break this candle's low. It broke this candle's low. So entry would be here. Stop loss will be above this candle now. And this will be for a 1-on-1. That's simple. It's probably gonna hit too. I just have to slow my I have to slow grind right now until my account can take more than one trade a day. Like, once I'm back up at a good spot, I'm gonna be taking multiple trades a day again. So yeah, that's why you don't, just because the sales might not look the best, the buys, like, you have to have confluences. Confluences is like check off points to get into a trade. So, like, it didn't check it checks every box for sales. I'm just not in because I have to be conservative with my account. It checks every single box for sales though. Those time frames, 5, 15, etc., are just how the markets move within those specific. Yeah. Yep. Hell yeah. Like, this is a 15-minute chart. This candle is open and ticking for 15 minutes. This is a daily chart. This is for today. This is today's candle. This is this 4 hour, the previous 4 hours, or a 4 hour chart. Yeah, it's just, this candle's a 1 hour candle. We also had another reason we were liking our sales on gold is because we were also inside a 1 hour supply. And the 1 hour supply move been happening. So this 15 might actually come all the way down here because this is where the 200 is, and that's about how far this trade may or may not go. But yeah, man. This is a 15-minute. This is a 5-minute. Now, how to get your this playlist right here, bro. If you watch this playlist, bro. I mean, I might sound like a robot or whatnot, but I was trying my hardest to be like universal instead of being a little nigged out. Like I was trying to be. So it might sound funny, but I was trying to do it so you get what I'm saying. But yeah, this playlist is going to teach you demand, supply, a downtrend, a uptrend, and support and resistance. That's just the trading basics that you would need to know for this specific strategy. It's really just trading basics though. And then this video here, this playlist here.
All right, what's good, fam?
Will show you how to set your trading view up to look like mine. And then once you tap in every day, yeah, bro, if you just take the time, if you really want to do it, you take the time to watch these videos right here, and you come and tap in with us every morning. I'm here from 7:30 to 10:30. I'll be on YouTube, TikTok sometime. I don't really want to be on TikTok. I get it. I think I have to start like promoting my content back on there, but I don't really like TikTok for trading. Everybody on there trading, and I don't think a lot of people are actually trying to teach. I think they just trying to sell, which is respect, but the way I see it, if you come all the way to YouTube, I think you actually trying to learn something. But yeah, so you go to how to place a trade, and then tap in with us 7:30 to 10:30 in the morning, or 7:30 until I'm done trading. And like I said, so I don't get on until 8:30 when there's red news at 8:30. So tomorrow I won't be on here until 8:30 a.m. because I don't trade before 8:30 red news. Because it always seems like it's BS going on. But yeah, let's watch this trade, bro. Because I really it's a lot of trades. Like every day there's been 2 trades. I just have to be conservative. This week so far, okay, I'm gonna show you. Because we were actually in the negative, bro. We were in the negative, bro, and I'm gonna show you so like, cause I don't mind. What have we done this week? Okay, this week we are. Yeah, last week we lost that much. This week we've made this much. I had an account, and TJ, who been in here, he been with me for all year. I had lost an account, bro. I lost the account based pretty much off of greed. I ain't gonna say I lost it due to me following my rule. I lost the previous account because I was just trying to get to a specific some money, and it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it. But yeah, this is how much we've made this week. Right now, I'm doing $500 to $600 a trade. On Monday, we had 2 trades. I took two trades, but they were like within the same trade. Like I was in on the 15-minute, then came down, got in on the 5-minute. Like I entered multiple times on one trade, if that makes sense. Yesterday, I opened one trade, closed it, got in the other trade, and you just watched the trade we hit. So you can lose an account basically by not following the rules. So I lost all my money. You know what I'm saying? I blew my account. Like I just blew it because I don't even know why. It took me a lot to really realize why I blew it, but I just say it was me being greedy. You can lose your account by um, going to the so with Top Step with this platform. This is a prop firm, bro. This is another video stack of videos you can watch, but that's a prop firm, bro. Yeah, bro, I blew it. I blew it like what's this month? We in April. I blew it in March, man. I made plenty of money. I pulled plenty of money, bro. I made like 10 racks, but I left like 10 racks on the table, and I was pretty pissed about that because I was only like 2 or 3 more winning trading days away. Like that was the best I've ever done in my life trading. Like this is my first. I'm just now becoming profitable this year. Um, and if you really want to get into a community of traders, I definitely recommend. This is who I learned from, bro. This is who I Doyle. This is who I learned from, bro. He like he showed me supply and demand, and like, bro, he just to me he one of like the realest traders. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people learn from him and probably don't give him the credit. I learned from him. Did I understand supply and demand? Yeah. Did I know what supply and demand was? Yes. Doyle showed me what a gap was, what a gap is, and how to put supply and demand together. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good trade, bro. Yeah, I'm sure you took that breakout, but yeah, like if I wanted to trade this, I would have been in this for yeah. So where you at, TJ? How much more you got left? Cause I'm trying to get funded next week. I'm not gonna lie. In my other 3 or 2 accounts, I'm trying to get funded in them. I really want this to hit. Yeah, once this hits or fails, I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna get off, Angelo. But yeah, bro, I really want like if you really want to learn, bro, we'll see you. We'll see you. TJ tapped in with me. TJ the only nigga that tapped in with me every day. Like he seen like bro, he know, bro. I'm not bullshitting. I'm not. I'm a real person, bro. I blow up on here. Like I'm a real individual. You have multiple accounts you trade from. Yeah, so I got right now. I got a account. Well, I just showed right now. I have an account that is actually making real money, and then I have 2 more evaluation accounts that's following the account that's making me real money. So yeah. All right, so you need about 2 more trades, TJ. I would say two to 3 more trades. My name TJ. You have multiple. Yeah, I do. I do have multiple accounts. So right now I got one, but I'm working on the other 2. Should I just practice using fake money then until I start using real fund? I would definitely. Yeah, nah, it's not. I'm glad you starting to accept that, TJ. For real. I do 1-to-1 strictly based off of the win rate, bro. I'm not caring about getting a bunch of money per trade because if I win 10 trades in a row, yeah. Should I just practice using fake money? I say hell yeah. I wouldn't even say fake money. I would just say come tap in. You know what I'm saying? Like definitely trade. You wanna get the hang of it. Um, yes. If you're like brand new, if this is all brand new to you, um, I wouldn't trade on my own. I would definitely I would practice trade, but trade with me or trade with somebody. Like I said, if you really want to get into a big community of people, Go to this nigga's Instagram, buy his Discord, bro. Now, and like it's a big, I say this is a good community to be in because he's serious. Oh, and we would have hit this trade too. You see, Angelo, this would have been a winner too. We told you, like, let me walk you through this one, bro, because I showed you a buy and a sell. So we had a 1 hour supply zone that price is coming from. So we tapped into the supply zone and it's selling. So we're like, okay, cool, we got sales. Then we ended up getting this 15-minute supply zone here that broke. You had this candle here, broke out of here, tapped in, and oof. You know what I'm saying? Broke here. We had to break out right here, right? This next candle left a gap. So this is valid supply. Tapped in here. It didn't break the low of this candle. But once it taps in, we're just waiting for it to break a low of a candle. So it broke the low of this candle. Stop loss here. TP here. Yeah, if you're going to use money, I will buy knowledge first. And that's why I say Doyle. Because he's going to give you... They might not be doing some... I don't know what they're doing right now. They might be trading a little different. They might be trading breakouts right now. But I'm strictly supplying the man because, like, that's what I was able to grab from him because I was already doing it. He just helped me see it a little better. So I wasn't in there long because I was, like, already ahead. Like, I was already, like, 4 years into trading. But, yeah, I wouldn't spend no money on this until... I wouldn't spend money or use my own money unless I was following somebody else with a track record. I wish I could show you my other account. Okay, yeah. I wish I could show you mine. I would just follow somebody right now, Angelo. Don't try and jump in deep in and do. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Don't try and jump in and just go head first, bro. I did that shit, bro. I already did that. I took out loans, bankrupt, all that shit for this. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta so just listen to somebody else. Do not just come in the market and say, here, I'm gonna put $100 in here or whatever, however much, and I'm gonna make this much, because you're gonna lose it all. Straight up. Just don't know what you're doing. So definitely, if you want to spend some money for some good knowledge, I think this is the best person you can go to. I feel like I'm the best person for free knowledge. The difference between free and paid is I'm not gonna have as much. He has a whole Discord set up for you with other traders. I got YouTube videos for you. You feel me? They might not be the bestest or the most up to date, but I promise you they're going to explain exactly what I'm doing. And when you come back in the morning, you're not going to be as confused. Or your questions will make more sense to you. And I promise I'll help you, bro. Like But yeah, I'm off, bro. I showed you two winning plays today, bro. And I caught this winning play myself, so. And this was a winning play as well, so. Just tap in with us, bro. I'm going to be back tomorrow at 8:30. I'll be here, man. So, watch those videos, Angelo. Even if you don't get through all of them, bro. Just watch a couple, and if you have a question, leave a question in the comment. If you have a question, remember it. If you want to help me out, comment the question. So, therefore, I can reply because you may not be the only one with that question, bro. That's just if you want to help me out. That'll help me help somebody else, bro. And help my videos. So, but yeah, TJ, Angelo, I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'll see y'all niggas tomorrow, man. Peace. Good day, TJ. Good day, bro. You gonna get funded, bro. I want you to get funded, bro. Good day. Deuces.